Sejumlah data ekonomi makro terbaru menguatkan argumen bahwa Bank Sentral AS atau Federal Reserve telah menghindarkan ekonomi AS dari resesi dan memfasilitasi soft landing.
It really gives the impression, of course, that the Fed appears that it can have its cake and eat it too. The GDP was stronger than expected, inflation has declined, labor trends remain really solid, so much more solid than expected, and consumer spending and consumer expectations have improved. And even mortgage demand is rebounding now that rates have kind of declined a little bit to about 6.5 or 6.7%. So it's all looking really, really strong. And as we say in the financial industry, as January goes, the rest of the year goes. So if we've had a really good January, that means we'll probably have a pretty good year in 2024.
Pada saat yang sama, sejumlah gejolak luar negeri berpotensi meluas dan mengancam ekonomi global.
Dalam upayanya menekan laju inflasi, The Fed telah menaikkan suku bunga acuan 11 kali sejak Maret 2022 dan terakhir pada Juli 2023. Dan Bank Sentral saat itu mengusung higher for longer alias suku bunga tinggi untuk waktu lebih lama dibandingkan ekspektasi. Dan mengapa demikian? Karena bila pun laju inflasi telah melandai, tapi angka ini masih jauh dari target Bank Sentral sebesar 2%. Ini pula yang diungkapkan Kepala The Fed Jerome Powell dalam wawancara dengan program 60 Minutes di TV CBS baru-baru ini.
I think the Fed's new mantra should be later and fewer, meaning that they're going to start cutting rates later than Wall Street is anticipating, not in March, not even possibly in May, but rather in June, as was implied in the 60 Minutes interview, because he said late in the second quarter is when they think they will start cutting rates. We also think that they will cut rates only 3 times by 25 basis points each. So rather than the 4, 5, 6 rate cuts that Wall Street is currently anticipating, the Fed is basically saying not so fast.
Keengganan The Fed untuk buru-buru menurunkan suku bunga justru direspons positif.
If the Fed were to start cutting rates earlier and more dramatically, the implication is that the economy is really weakening, likely to fall into a sharp recession, and therefore needs these cuts in order to be supported.
Bank Sentral tidak akan mengadakan pertemuan selama Februari dan pertemuan selanjutnya akan berlangsung pada 19 hingga 20 Maret 2024.